show y'all another project that he's doing for the headlights. He's currently working on this one right now. I don't know what grit it is, but he's doing.
It's 1500.
So he's using 1500 grit right now. I'm not gonna repeat what you said. So he already have 3,000 and 2,000 soaking in the water right now. As you can see. So yep, we're gonna wait till the next step.
With the bumper on the slide, get it on the slab just to make it worthwhile. Don't play it better than a hero on the showers. Get them on towels, clean up on ours. Top two with the bumper on the slide, get it on the slab just to make it worthwhile. Chrome lady with her than a hero on the showers. Get them on towels, clean up on ours. Here restore this shit go. Met a chrome lady, hit the runway, she buying to put on a show. Cold as froze, bag of ice hot doors. When you shop in the South, candy flavors, not laters, wrapped up, stacked up, all in the